Hey, welcome to my channel. So on this video I show you how to delete temporary file and folders on your computer. There are three ways to delete your temporary file. So first one, go to the search option, then type here run, so click here run and type here %temp, then type %, then click here OK. Here are all temporary file. Now you should go view option and select hidden items and select all, then go to the delete option and click delete, and when the box is shown then type click skip option. This file cannot be deleted, but there is no problem. You should go the second option to delete temporary file. Go to the window key plus run, then type here temp, then OK. Here are all temp folder, then you should select all, then delete all. They're all delete the temporary file. Now the third option, go to the run option, then type here preface, prefetch, then click OK. Here are all folder. Now go to the view and select hidden item, which is already selected, then select all the file and folder. You should type Ctrl+A, then delete all this file. Which is not deleted, you should be again select and delete it. So here is the three options to delete temporary files. So thank you for watching.